You got your squiddy and you want to unscrew the pivots to clean or tune your balisong trainer, but they just spin in place like this. All you need to fix this is 2 T10 Torx drivers. Our balisong maintenance kit comes with one, and you can also get a super convenient Torx driver keychain. These are my personal keys and I always carry one just in case my screws come loose. So to fix the spinning pivots, just stick one Torx driver on the pivot end and then use your second Torx driver to unscrew your screws. The process is a little bit different for our metal trainers like this blue Triton. As you can see, the pivots on our metal trainers don't have that second Torx bit on the pivot. So all you gotta do is, in the closed position, squeeze the handles on your trainer and unscrew it. This puts pressure on the pivots so that they stay in place while you unscrew it. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at Squid Industries Co. And to get awesome balisong trainers and other cool stuff like this hoodie I'm wearing right now, go to our website. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact us. Links in the description. Thanks guys. See you next time.